Hello, you are welcome to today's class. Today, we'll be looking at a very powerful question, and I want you to follow me gradually as we solve this problem. The question: simplify x squared minus 4 all over x squared plus 5x plus 6. But in simplifying this, there are two things you are going to do. Number one, you consider the numerator. It is a difference of 2 squared. And then number two, you have to factorize this value that you can see at the denominator. Of course, this is quadratic expression. So, let us solve the problem together. Solution. We treat our x squared minus 4 to be x squared plus 2 squared, because 2 times 2 is 4 minus 2 squared. Now, we are going to open brackets like this and then like this. Here is a positive, here is negative, difference of 2 squared. So, we have our x, we have our x here, we have our 2, we have our 2. It means that we have taken care of this numerator. The next thing is to consider the denominator. We have our x squared plus 5x plus 6. Looking at this, as I told you earlier, is quadratic expression. What you need to do here is to factorize this. And to factorize this, our constant here is 6. And then if you see this very middle term is what? 5x. So we are going to look for the product of this and then the sum of this. And of course, the product of this very 6 will factorize this very 6. We'll get the 2 factor, which is what? This is 6. And 2 into 6 will give us what? 3. And 3 into 3 will give us 1. By the time I say 2 times 3, you know I will get 6. And if I say 2 plus 3, I will get 5. So 2 plus 3, if I put it in this very place, like this, 2x plus 3x, then plus 6. I have not committed any crime here by making this 5x to become 2x plus what? 3x. Because if I multiply the coefficient of x here by the coefficient of x here, it will give me this very 6. So I've done something good. Now, I will group then x squared plus what? 2x, bracket open and close, plus open bracket what? 3x plus 6, bracket open and close. The next thing we do is to factorize. I will factor out the common factor here. I have my x, open bracket, what? X plus what? 2, close bracket. And here also the common factor is what? 3. Have x plus what? 2. That is to say, by this time I say x times x, it will give me x squared. And x times 2, it will give me 2x. If I say 3 times x, it will give me 3x. 3 times 2, it will give me what? 6. So, doing this, I have not done anything wrong here. Now, the two brackets here are the same. So, I'm going to pick one and then the outer terms and also form a bracket for it this way. So, I'm having x plus 2, bracket open and close, then bracket open here, x plus 3, and then we'll close. So I've done something to the denominator also. Now, to get the final answer, this is what we are going to do. You have your, therefore, x squared minus 4 all over x squared plus 5x plus 6 will be equal to the numerator. What did I get? I have bracket open x plus 2 close bracket and bracket open x minus 2 close bracket. So I'll now put it here, bracket open x plus what? 2 bracket close, and then bracket open x minus 2 bracket close all over. Getting to this very one, I have factorized this getting to this very point, and then the next thing I'm going to do is also substitute only this for this, and I have plus 2 bracket open and close, and then bracket open x plus 3 close bracket. Now looking at the numerator and then the denominator, the common factor there or the common things there, we cross them, and of course x plus 2 and x plus 2 are the same, all in brackets. So this and this will go. And then my final answer will be x minus what? 2 all over x plus 3. And that is the answer. I told you, you can solve a problem like this whenever you see it. All for you to know is to know that this one is what? Perfect square, or difference of two square rather, and then this one is quadratic expression. You factorize this, and use the result, cancel, and get your answer. Thank you.